Hi everyone, this is Mr. P, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve problem number 16 in AMC 8 2022. So the problem reads, four numbers are written in a row. The average of the first two is 21, the average of the middle two is 26, and the average of the last two is 30. What is the average of the first and last of the numbers? So we first need to know what an average is. So to do that, if you remember, an average is the amount that all of the numbers added together divided by the amount of numbers. So for example, the average of 2 and 4. First you would add the two numbers together, and then you would divide by however many numbers there were. So in this case there were two numbers, so you divide that by 2 to get your final answer, 3. So the average of 2 and 4 is equal to 3. So now that we got that out of the way, we can actually get to solving the problem. So for this, we're going to need to declare four variables. Use A for the first number, hashtag symbol means number, B for the second, C for the third, and D for the fourth number. Alright, so it says, the problem says the average of the first two is 21, so that would be that first number and second number divided by the number of numbers, which is 2. So you would write A plus B divided by 2 is equal to 21. That's our first equation. Average of the middle two is 26. So you'll get the middle two are B and C. So you would add B plus C divided by 2 because they're two numbers is equal to 26. And we're going to do the same thing for the last one. Average of the last two, C and D, is 30. Two numbers again. So now that we have that, we're going to need to substitute the first and last numbers into these equations. So to do that, we're going to need to replace B and C by A and D. We can do that simply first by, we need to multiply these. So you don't want this divide 2 here. So you need to multiply all of these by 2. But if you do something on this side, you have to do something on this side as well. So you multiply all of this by 2. So this would become A plus B is equal to 42. This would be B plus C is equal to 52. And this would be C plus D is equal to 60. Now we should work on substituting the B and C with A and D. So to do that, we'll just simply write equivalents. For example, B is equal to 42 minus A, because you can subtract A from both sides. And we can also write C is equal to 52 minus, C is equal to 60 minus D. That will get you the equation for C. So now we can just substitute that into the equations to get our answer. So we can just bring these out of the equation. For example, we're going to replace everything in this equation with A and D. So we'll just plug these values in. So B is equal to 42 minus A. We can do plus C for now. Plus C is equal to 52. So this is going to substitute for B. So we can just simplify the equation first. So we can subtract 42 from both sides, and that will get you minus A plus C is equal to 10. But we're not done yet. We can also plug in C. So then we'll get minus A plus 60 minus D, because that's what you can plug in, is equal to 10. Again, we have something else we can simplify. So we subtract 60 from both sides. So you'd get minus A minus D is equal to minus 50. So right now they're all negative, so we can just multiply all of these by -1, multiply this by -1, and that will get you the final equation of A plus D is equal to 50. So that is when you add those two together. We're not finished though yet. Remember when I said you have to divide the thing by 2, like with 2 and 4, you have to add those and then divide by the number of numbers to get you your average. We're going to have to do the same. So to do that, we're going to divide both sides by 2, which would give you the final answer of 25, which is the answer B. So the average of the first and last numbers is 25. Thanks for watching.